Children, have you completed last class homework? Okay, once you check it, what is the first sum I gave? Multiples of 9. So what are the multiples of 9? The multiples of 9: 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, and so on. Now second one, multiples of 7. Multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, and so on. In the same way, multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, and so on. So those who did 3 sums correct, for them I am giving 3 stars. Okay, good. Now coming to the today's topic. Today I am explaining for you least common multiple, means LCM. Now children, tell me the multiples of 2. So these are multiples of 2. Now tell me the multiples of 3. Okay children, observe these multiples of 2 and 3. Now children, observe here, in these 2 and 3, is there any numbers common? Yes, very good. What are those numbers? 6, 12, 18. Very good. So look here, which numbers are common? 6, 6. Next 8. 8 is not there. 10, 10 also not there in this. Next coming to 12, 12, 12. Next 14, not there. 16, no. Next 18. Here also 18. So that's why circle these numbers. Next 20. Now still you can write more. You can get more multiples. Now these are common for these 2 and 3 or not. So that's why these are common multiples of 2 and 3. So now what are the multiples here? 6, 12, 18. I put and so on. Why? Because here you will get after in 2 table 30 also there, 24 also there. You will get those also common multiples. So that's why I put here and so on. Now in these common multiples, what are the multiples here? 6, 12, 18. In this, which is least? 6. Which is least? 6. These are common multiples. In this, if you take least one, then it is least common multiple or not. Now what is least common multiple in this? 6. Least common multiple is equal to 6. From this least, what is the first letter in least? L. Next in common, what is the first letter in common? C. Next, what is the first letter in multiple? M. In the shortcut way, least common multiple we can write as LCM. What we write? LCM. Now you find LCM of 2 and 3. What you got LCM, least common multiple? 6. So LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to 6. Now what is today's topic? Least common multiple, LCM. Now second example, in the same way, find LCM of 5, 10. So from that first step, we should write multiples of 5. Now what are the multiples of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and so on. Now write multiples of 10. Now what are the multiples of 10? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and so on. Now find the common multiples in these 5 and 10. Circle that common multiples. 10, 20, 30, 40. Still and so on. Now write down common multiples. Now common multiples equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. So in this, which is the least multiple? In this 10, 20, 30, 40, which is least? 10. So least common multiple of 5, 10 is equal to 10. Now LCM of 5, 10 is equal to 10. This method is called list out multiples method. Which type of method this is? List out multiples method. Why you call list out multiples method is, here we are listing each multiples or not. 2 multiples we are writing. Next 3 multiples. Finally common multiples. Next least common multiples. So we are listing multiples here. So that's why it is list out multiples method. Okay. So now I'll explain one shortcut method or properties of LCM. You can find very easily using this shortcut method. So observe here LCM of 5 comma 10. What you got LCM of 5 comma 10? 10. 10. So from this, once you look here, 5 table. So in this 5 and 10, which is the smallest one? 5 is the smallest multiple and 10 is greatest number. So in this smallest number means 5 table. 10 is there or not in 5 table? 5 table 10 how many times? 2 times. Means in smallest number table the greatest number is there. Means 5 table 10 is there. Then the LCM is the greatest number. Understood? So if you find the smallest number 5 table. Now 5 table 10 is there or not? Yes. Now in the smallest number table greatest number is there means we can say the greatest number as the LCM. What is the LCM? Greatest number. So now LCM of 5 comma 10 is equal to 10. With that example, can you tell me now? Same way you can find LCM of 2 comma 4. What you will get LCM? 4. Very good. Why? Because here smallest number is 2. Greatest number is 4. In 2 table 4 is there. So the greatest number is the LCM. Then LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Now in the same way you can find LCM of 4 comma 8. What is the LCM? Yes, very good. 8 is the LCM. Why? Because 4 is the smallest number here. 8 is the greatest number. 4th table 8 is there. So 8 is the LCM. Now can you tell me LCM of 10 comma 20? Very good. 10 table 20 is there. So 20 is the LCM. Now observe here. Here LCM of 5 comma 10 means in smallest number table we are checking the greatest number. Coming to here, this is the smallest number. This is the greatest number. Now smallest number table, greatest number is there. 2 table 3 is there. No. 2 table into here, this is the smallest number. This is the greatest number. Now smallest number table, greatest number is there. 2 table 3 is there. No. 2 table 3 is not there. So in that time what you should do? In 2 table 3 not there. So in that time what you have to do is 2 and 3 just multiply these two numbers. Understood now? 2 table 3 is not there. Then multiply these two. 2 3 is how much? 6. You got the answer or not? Now one more example I'll explain. Now here LCM of 3 comma 5. Now observe in this 3 table, 3 is the smallest number, 5 is the greatest number. Now smallest number table, 3 table 5 is there? No. At least 5 table 3? Not there. So in that time what you should there? There is no common number in these tables. You have to do product of these two numbers. What you have to do? Product of these two numbers means product means 3 into 5. Now 3 5s 15. How much 3 5s? 15. So LCM of 3 comma 5 equal to 15. This is the another shortcut. Now can you tell me in the same way LCM of 4 comma 5? How much 4 comma 5? 20. Very good. Why? Because in 4th table 5 is not there. In smallest number table greatest number is not there. Then what you should do? Multiply these two numbers means 4 into 5. So 4 5. So now what is the LCM of 4 comma 5? Here 4 and 5. There is no common table. Then multiply 4 and 5. 4 5 is 20. Okay, now you understood these two methods. So the first method is in smallest number table, if greatest number is there, then the LCM is greatest number. And the second one is in smallest number table, greatest number is not there. Then you multiply those two numbers, that is the LCM. Okay children, now I am giving homework. Look at your homework. Okay, your homework is find LCM for the following. A 6 comma 7, B 4 comma 12. Okay, thank you.